Everybody, it is Monday. I'm starting my day off really good. I had a wonderful cup of coffee and some time with my handsome husband. And I picked up the camera a couple times over the weekend, and it just did not really go anywhere. But yesterday we had the most yummiest dinner or slash lunch, whatever you want to call it. It was lunch slash dinner. I made taco meat-up, and then I got my quesadilla maker out, and so we had some quesadillas, we had guacamole, we had sour cream, and I also loaded my crock pot and made that cheese dip that I made over the holidays. That is the cream cheese. I used taco cheese. I put a little pepper jack in there. I kind of made it my own. I put some hot salsa in there. It was delicious. It was so good. I kind of overate yesterday, but it was so tasty. It's so tasty. There is something about good, comforting food when it's cold outside. And it has been so cold here. So cold. Oh, so cold. Tonight is going to be in the teens again. So another cold night. And I'm going to tell you guys, I think I mentioned this in another video. I am not going to say that I'm going to put a video out every day of the week. I'm not going to say I'm going to do Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But what I am going to do, this is my intentions to do, is to put a video out Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And that's a good many videos for the week. And that is my goal. I'm just going to share my day-to-day life with you. If I make something new, I'm going to share the recipe. If I go somewhere, I'm going to take you along. Tomorrow, we are scheduled to go to Walmart, and we're going to go early in the morning. Unfortunately, COVID is on the rise here, and it's like I've been home since Christmas. And I want to go somewhere, and all of our plans last week was completely canceled because of the rise in COVID. And it is important to be very cautious and all of those things, because I definitely don't want to get it. I don't want my husband to get it. But with our circumstances of being visually impaired, we don't have a choice but to get on public transportation and go to the store. So we try to go as early as possible. I'm going to try to buy enough, everything we need for a couple weeks, and get home, get washed up, get everything put up, and not have to head out at least to the store for a couple of weeks. So, I don't know what people do. Sometimes it's like, these are very scary times to go out, and I have a son that's traveling right now, and I've thought of him, and you want everybody in your life to be safe, you really do. It's a really hard time. And I am so thankful that I have the husband that I do, because he's very positive, very uplifting, tries to be day to day. Everything's going to be all right, But as a mom, it kicks in, that you're worried about your kids, that they're safe and all things. So if you have anxieties about COVID, or, you feel fearful in any way, I completely understand. I just wanted to kind of say something this morning about it because I just want you to know you're not alone. And a lot of us moms are going through that when it comes to our kids and for ourselves and our husbands or our wives, you know, our parents. So, yeah, it's a very scary time for a lot of people, but we're in this together. We're in this together. While I'm home, I am going to try to make the best of it. I'm going to clean, and I'm going to make a list. I'm going to make a grocery list today. Tonight is Ronnie's gospel broadcast, so I'm going to have to work on some of that stuff. I've already got my scripture text ready for this evening. The Lord kind of gave it to me last night, and I'm going to share that tonight. And I'm looking forward to the broadcast this evening. The Lord definitely has been giving me a lot of peace about things and offering me a lot of strength and understanding about a lot of things in my life. And for that, I'm very, very grateful and very thankful in my life for things. So today, as you can tell by this video, I already made my bed. I did video yesterday, me making the quesadillas. So probably what I'll do is put that little insert of video here so you can see what I did video this weekend. And you guys can see me making my quesadillas. Boy, they were so delicious. I overate a little bit too myself. I really did. So it was so delicious. So I'll insert that here. But I'm going to take you guys along on my day. I washed my hair last night. You can tell I need to color my hair so bad. I really, really do. But today, last night I washed my hair really good. And today I just have it in a bun. And tonight for the broadcast, I hope to sneak up here and do something to my hair before I have to be on video in front of everybody and change my shirt. It's usually what I do. But I promised myself that I would be very real with my audience. And what you see is what you get. I did put on a little bit of makeup today so I wouldn't scare anybody. I did get cleaned up. This is a clean sweatshirt. Very, I think it's pretty old. I think Emma gave it to me. But it's very comfortable. So it's just a comfortable day at home cleaning and doing the things I need to do. And I've got my guacamole and my tortilla there, and we are watching Love Boat. Well, I am making up some lunch because I am super hungry. My father-in-law gave me this big tomato yesterday, and so I'm going to put it on toast with bacon and cheese. My husband doesn't like tomatoes, so he's just going to have a bacon and cheese sandwich. And then we have a container of macaroni and cheese that his dad bought as well. And so he buys like a big container and he'll take half and give us half because he's by himself over there. So anyways, we're going to have that today for lunch. It sounds good. This bacon smells fabulous and I cannot wait to eat. Hello, everybody. I just thought I would check in. It is about 5:30. I just made me a hot chocolate right there. I got cold. I don't know if it's because I sat down, but I got me a blanket. Ronnie got me a blanket, and I'm all curled up here on the couch, and we're just sitting here talking, really. I dusted in here. I got my coffee table cleaned off, and I moved all my furniture out and swept underneath it. I still need to mop, but I probably won't get to it till tomorrow, because at 7 o'clock our broadcast happens, and so I got another half hour before I got to go upstairs and try to do something with this crazy messy hair and my ugly face. But anyhow, we got the music already picked out for tonight, and I got my scripture ready, so we're doing pretty good. We're making pretty good time this evening. But as you can see over here, I got this table all squared away. I don't know if my decor will necessarily stay that way. I just kind of maneuver some things around. I'm planning to buy some new pieces at some point in time, get some new ideas and things in here, which will be really nice. So anyways, I am going to close out my video here because I have a very full evening. But I do hope that you guys enjoyed seeing a little bit of my day. I did 3 loads of laundry today. I did towels, and then I did clothes, and then I did my couch cover right here, which I have not got on yet. It's a gray blanket that I put over. It's in the dryer, so I got to take it out and put it on the couch. But for right now, I'm just going to sit here and enjoy my hot chocolate. Can you guys see how huge those marshmallows are? I'm like 12. But I'm going to enjoy my hot chocolate. I'm going to edit this video and get this up so it comes out tomorrow. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Shoot me a comment, because I read all of them with Ronnie, and I just love and enjoy hearing from you guys. And thank you so much for watching. So, you know what? I'll see you guys tomorrow sometime.